Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. As we're seeing the price of XRP slowly grind to the upside, guys, take a look at that. The XRP chart on the daily, and we're staying above this trend. Right now, as of the time of this recording, we are trading in and around 58 cents, 58.6 to be exact. It's been quite a ride for XRP, but a lot of people are saying that this quarter four 2024 is going to be the launch off point for the latter half of this bull run. If I take a look at total 3 market cap here, you can see it's been a bumpy road for altcoins since the end of 2022 when Bitcoin really started to take off. As Bitcoin was doing this, right, altcoins did this. They kind of were coming up and then came back down, retraced back into the former support level, tried to come up again, retraced, bounced back down. And then during 2023 and into 2024, we really did start to see that ascent. Now we're seeing Bitcoin retrace here, and we're seeing a large altcoin correction in the space. But guys, 2025 looking to be that time when altcoins are really going to take off, specifically starting off next month. And yes, that would include XRP, which brings me to this. Echo to Truth here posting this. A future prediction by ChatGPT based on astrology?
Now, where does XRP go from here? Well, I'm not an astrologist, but I did plug everything into ChatGPT, and this is what they had to say. As Pluto in Aquarius, expect a revolution in innovation and decentralization, with XRP at the forefront of global financial transition. Aquarius is about breaking down the old guard. Saturn in Pisces, as regulatory structures are about to dissolve, paving the way for clarity and growth in the crypto space. XRP's legal win is just the beginning, and as we go into October with the eclipse, brings sudden change as XRP and crypto could see a massive breakout as the financial world recollaborates to the new order. The next 6 to 12 months will be crucial for XRP and the future of finance. This is not just another market. It is a revolution written in the stars.
I gotta say, that last prediction there, October 2024 eclipse. So eclipses bring sudden change. XRP and crypto could see a massive breakthrough. This just kind of falls in line with what we've been seeing just based on chart and technical analysis. So, I don't know if I buy too much into this astrology thing, but it is lining up with what we have been seeing on the charts. So 6 to 12 months, that really brings us in line with where this next bull run is set to kick off. And for those of you guys interested in following me, what I'm doing this particular bull run, because I'm not making the same mistakes twice. In the last bull run, I made some pretty good trades. I did not trade enough, though. I should have traded more, and I've learned from my mistakes. So you can follow me for $5 a month at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. I've kept it affordable on purpose because I want as many of you to join me as possible. I want us all to succeed during this final euphoric bull phase. So patreon.com/workingmoneychannel, that is where I'm documenting my trading journey. Anyway, wanted to thank Echo to Truth just for pointing that out. Over the last few weeks, there has been some questions about the development on the XRP ledger, the decision to go with Ethereum smart contracts versus hooks. I know Fin was a little upset about that. Here's Smoke with some insight on this. Okay, why did Ripple add smart contracts to the XRP ledger to begin with? Because smart contracts are crucial for unlocking institutional adoption. If you guys didn't see the video I did this morning, I will link it up here in the top right-hand corner. Basically, Robbie Mitchnick, he was one of 2 people responsible for creating the XRP price calculator. He currently now works at BlackRock, and he was talking about the institutional adoption and how he's, I guess he was describing a little bit of what BlackRock sees for the institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies, those real-world utility coins moving forward. So institutions are Ripple's primary target audience, as we know, and integrating smart contracts into the XRP ledger align with their mission of providing enterprise-grade payment solutions. These contracts enable institutions to comply with regulatory requirements, such as incorporating kill switch features, essentially allowing certain blockchain functions to be disabled in emergencies. This move opens the door for a wide range of institutional use cases, further solidifying Ripple's role in facilitating secure and compliant blockchain solutions. So this is just all written out in this Moody's report here. Smart contract security standards are key to unlocking institutional adoption. Okay, so with regards to cryptocurrency specifically, they need to be secure and regulated, of course, and they need to be trustworthy. So, Ripple and XRP definitely fall within those parameters, but we're a bit late on the uptick of taking on smart contracts onto the XRP ledger. Well, over the last couple of weeks, we heard new announcements of how smart contracts were going to be developed on the XRPL, and a lot of controversy, but, I do think Ripple does have the best intentions for definitely for their business model, since it does rely on the XRPL, but also for the possibility, the potential for mass adoption as wide as possible, because the more they get, and it's not so much about just being greedy and money, money, money. I think it's more about, the wider the net is cast for Ripple adoption and, utilizing the XRP ledger, the more liquid XRP will be, and therefore the more efficient it will be if it is utilized all over the place. I mean, you got to think of the US dollar. There's a reason why it is or has been in the past so strong, because it has been widely utilized. It's very liquid. Many countries have used it over the last 100 years or so for many different purposes. Well, not quite 100, but I think you get my point here. So US dollar, very liquid, always available. People would always take it. It was strong. These are all the benefits of having a very liquid currency for American citizens. Well, guys, XRP, I think Ripple is trying to make XRP similar to what the US dollar has been over the last 80 years. And so smart contracts, just another step in that direction. So I wanted to thank Smoke for posting that. I saw this too from the Wrath of Kahneman, Zonic X working with Ripple to put out RWAs on the XRP ledger. Now, for some context here, I did talk about this back in February. Zonex is a pioneer in digital asset management. They announced that they are in a partnership with Ripple, an enterprise blockchain and crypto solution provider. This strategic collaboration was created to harness the robust, scalable infrastructure of the XRP ledger and seamlessly integrate it into Zonex's cutting-edge tokenization platform as a service, a tokenization life cycle management solutions. And it was just announced yesterday that Zonex has won the most innovative tokenization and liquidity solutions award for best company in 2024. So that is big news. I mean, to know that these guys are also partnered with Ripple does give me more confidence. I mean, it's just more in terms of that web expanding. More success breeds more success with more adoption over the years. So I wanted to thank Wrath of Kahneman just for bringing that up. Guys, I also happen to see this. Another great piece of news from Mike Manfield. Ripple partner, one of the original ones, Standard Chartered invests in a new crypto assets platform called One Trading. So Standard Chartered's investment arm, SC Ventures, has joined a funding round for European crypto assets exchange One Trading. The role also saw existing investors, Middle Game Ventures, increase their stake. The funding comes shortly after the Dutch financial market regulator granted One Trading an organized trading facility, or an OTF license, which establishes the firm as a MiFID2 trading venue. The license means that One Trading is the only crypto perpetual futures trading venue in the EU and the first cash-settled perpetuals platform in Europe, including the UK. One Trading is also the first regulated derivatives exchange in Europe, which will be accessible to retail clients. So that is big news, guys. Alex Manson, the CEO of SC Ventures over there at Standard Chartered, he did say financial innovation should not come at the cost of consumer protection. That's why we are glad to see One Trading receiving their OTF license. We congratulate them on being the first for that MiFID2 trading standard venue for crypto perpetual futures in the EU. We also look forward to One Trading providing much needed infrastructure to all participants in the EU and further afield. So it's interesting. Standard Chartered has been doing quite a lot with regards to cryptocurrency specifically, I've noticed over the last few years. Down here in this article, it even does say Standard Chartered has also made a host of moves in the crypto space this month, launching a digital asset custody service in the UAE. So the United Arab Emirates, already a very crypto-friendly, crypto-forward country, and Standard Chartered benefiting on that, also investing in other companies that are wanting to be the first movers, I guess, over there in the European Union. So great news there. Wanted to thank Mike for posting that. Guys, here's one from Brett Crypto X on Twitter. XRP added as a new payment option in South Korea via a platform called Surfy. The XRP Ledger ecosystem has taken another giant leap with the integration of another company, guys, Surfy, boosting the network's utility. The Korean-based payment solution added XRP to a list of payment options that users could leverage to purchase items from its registered merchants. So they're, I guess, promoting it here with paying for a coffee with XRP. The XRP Ledger showed its payment prowess in a closed beta test in the Gangnam district of Seoul during the South Korea Blockchain Week earlier in September. The Surfy team launched a test version of the payment solution in Cafe Valor, a coffee shop in the region, allowing users to make payments using XRP. So here we're starting to see, guys, XRP in a real-world use case setting actually being utilized as a currency, something that we thought could have probably happened sooner. I know over there on Twitter, back when it was called Twitter, Vitsvin did actually create the XRP tip bot that is long gone now, but we used to tip each other in XRP as a form of payment just to show our gratitude for people and their work over there on Twitter. The Surfy payment debuted recorded success as users were able to pay for their coffees in a fast and seamless manner. The breakthrough emphasized the ease at which payments could be made using XRP. So you can see here they're using QR codes to scan. However, Surfy's founder and CEO, he stated in a section that the XRP Ledger Zone during the September 4th KBW that the payment solution has distinguished itself by integrating peer-to-peer payment options without any connections to the traditional payment network. So, this is good because it's a way for people to just transact amongst themselves. The problem with this, though, is that the banking system, the legacy system, wants to, there's the theory that they want to keep tabs on us. There's the theory that they don't want us to have too much privacy. Hence CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. This is the whole purpose of CBDCs. And this is why crypto, CBDCs, and the scams and the money laundering, and then there's the regulation and the institutions, and there's government, how they can sometimes be conflated. The technology is there for everybody to use. And I guess it's up to the user how that technology is being used. Can it be used for good, for freedom, or will it be used for privacy invasion and control and surveillance? So, this is interesting because it's cool to see that this is happening in Korea, places like South Korea, where I'm guessing the legalities surrounding this are okay. But I guess we'll see how this all plays out. Wanted to thank Brett here just for posting that. Another interesting move for another Ripple partner, guys. This time, Finastra has integrated with a company called Prelim to streamline retail and commercial deposit account openings. Finastra, which is a Ripple partner and a global provider of financial services software applications, today announced their integration with Prelim, an industry-leading fintech, for its Finastra Phoenix Core solution. Prelim empowers financial institutions to digitize customer experiences by automating the application process and internal operations such as reviewing, processing, and underwriting their services. From onboarding deposit customers to provisioning treasury services and orientating select credit products, Prelim's technology helps make account opening faster, reduces back-office complexities, and provides a more seamless and enhanced customer experience for account holders. So considering they're doing making all these things more streamlined, it does sound like they are leveraging some type of blockchain technology. Considering Finastra is integrated with RippleNet, it would only seem likely that they could be using that in part or in whole. Customers expect an easy-to-use real-time onboarding process. This is a quote, when applying for a new financial product or service. We're excited to be partnering with Finastra to help accelerate retail and commercial deposit account opening for financial institutions around the world. Through Finastra's open finance system, Prelim integrates seamlessly with the Phoenix API. So that is part of Finastra's tech stack, and that enables the creation of new accounts to both new and existing account holders. These accounts are then reflected within the digital banking solution, providing a cohesive user experience. This comprehensive integration allows financial institutions to efficiently onboard new accounts and services, ensuring a smooth and streamlined process. So another Ripple partner here, guys, one of the biggies, Finastra, partnering up with another company to streamline their commercial deposit account openings. Guys, like I said, even in the video I did this morning, where we're seeing tokenization start to kind of creep in to the real world, it's not at scale, definitely not at scale, but I think when they do start to use it, I think that it's going to be so beneficial. The big guys, the big wigs over there at the top, they're going to realize how beneficial it will be for their business practices, for their bottom line. And I think the scaling of this is not going to take years. I think we could realistically see the scaling ramp up very, very quickly. So, this idea of a prolonged bull run is certainly something that could be on the table if we do see that acceleration throughout 2025 instead of seeing another crash. I guess it just depends. We're going to have to see when the time comes. We could, in fact, see that bull run continue into 26, 27, 28, and beyond as this adoption does take off. And so, with Ripple partners like Finastra, they are the ones that are going to help make this happen. Anyway, great news there coming from Finastra. Somebody noticed here that Chris Larsen actually withdrew 50 million XRP, guys, worth $29.1 million from his wallet. And the wallet that it went to, people are still confused over that. XRP Liquidity posted this, what we've been waiting for. No movement since 2013. So we haven't seen any XRP move from that wallet since 2013. Now he's keeping an eye on the receiving wallet. Some people down here speculating what it could mean. Mr. Eam here saying, you called it, XRP Liquidity saying it's a great indicator of open markets running low. So could it be that there's not enough XRP in the open markets? We just need to keep an eye on the wallet and see where it goes. And so other people obviously responding with the eyes emoji. The majority of the 1 billion released from escrow is returned every month, says Sumche8. Why would the open market be running low? So that's a good question. I mean, you would think that there'd be enough XRP in the ecosystem to withstand the use cases at this particular moment. XRP Liquidity did post 1 billion released and 800 million is re-escrowed. This 200 million, okay, that is currently in the world is sent to ODL, along with 80 million from Ripple Holdings monthly for the last 3.5 years. 920 million is purchased from open market and sent to ODL each month. Total is 1.2 billion per month, or 3.65 billion XRP per quarter for the last 3.5 years. So he still maintains that the open market running low, and this is perhaps why we're seeing this Chris Larsen related account selling off 50 million XRP. So he does reiterate again, heading to ODL, an open market is running low, but we need to see where the 50 million leads to. News will probably say he's selling like the taco stand depleted, but it is Ripple buying it. At least this is the assumption made by XRP Liquidity here on Twitter. So very interesting news, guys. You think about this, though. I mean, if there's going to be more need for XRP in the coming months or weeks, it could come all at once. Like David Schwartz did say many, many years ago at an event. I remember Mr. B XRP. Nick Barafato did have a discussion with David Schwartz, and he did say the price of XRP, or basically the use case, I mean, ultimately he was talking about price. He basically said it can't steadily go up because there's going to be too many of us basically buying and selling and manipulating it based on, large buy orders, large sell orders. And so it does kind of need to hit a high stable price right away. And so, I mean, that's obviously going to happen with real world utility. So how is that going to happen? We've heard of many of these use cases leveraging XRP. We know that it is for institutional grade adoption. We know that these big central banks are going to be leveraging technology that uses XRP. We did also hear the other day that Bitstamp and Ripple are going to be creating a derivatives exchange. If you guys didn't catch the video I did on that, I will link that up here in the top right-hand corner. And speaking about that video, guess who decided to make that private? Yes, it was posted on Ripple's official website here, and XRP Drops did just notice this. Why did Ripple set the video about Bitstamp's plans to launch a derivatives exchange to private? See video in the post below. And I've showed this video a couple of times now on this channel. I don't have to show it again, I don't think. But it was with this lady here. I'm sure you guys remember her, Ripple and Bitstamp. We are launching our own derivatives exchange in the next few months. So that's something we are most excited about and really hope to cooperate closely with Ripple there as well. So why is Ripple making this video unavailable? Do we know something that they did not want us to know? At least not this soon. If you click on that link, you guys can see video unavailable. This video is set to private. Things that make you go, a derivatives exchange, you say. Why can't we know about that? Why? Could this be connected to the 50 million XRP released from Chris Larsen's wallet? If the open market is running low, if they're going to need more XRP for this potential derivatives exchange, and guys, she's saying this is going to be released in the next few months. I gotta say, the signs that are pointing to real-world adoption are getting stronger and stronger, and I have no doubt in my mind that they're trying to coincide this with the rest of the bull run throughout 2025, but that's just my opinion. I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.